Hello everyone, I'm your friend Ankita. In this video, I'm going to explain the chapter Physical Features of India. It is a chapter in Geography of Class 9. India is a vast country with varied landforms. You must be wondering how physical features have been formed. We will learn more about major physical features of India and how they have been formed. We find different types of rocks. Some are very hard, like marble, which has been used for making the Taj Mahal. Some are very soft, like soapstone, which is used in making talcum powder. The color of the soil varies from one place to other because soil is formed out of different types of rocks. The movement of the plates result in the building up of stresses within this place and the continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting and volcanic activity. Broadly, these plate movements are classified into three types: convergent, divergent and transform. This is the map of world plate margin. The oldest landmass, the peninsular part, was a part of the Gondwana land. The Gondwana land included India, Australia, South Africa, South America, and Antarctica as one single landmass. Gondwana land. What is it? It is the southern part of the ancient supercontinent Pangaea with Angara land in the northern part. Major physiographic divisions. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions: Himalaya Mountains, Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Indian Desert, and the coastal plains, and at last the islands. The Himalaya Mountains. The Himalayas, geologically young and structurally fold mountains stretched over the northern borders of India. They form an arc which covers a distance of 2,400 km. This is the picture of Himalayas. This is India's relief. Some highest peaks of the Himalayas with country and height in meter. The outermost range of the Himalayas is called the Sivaliks. Besides the longitudinal division, the Himalayas have been divided on the basis of regions from west to east. These divisions have been demarcated by river valleys. For example, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj have been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east respectively. The Northern Plain. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. The northern part is broadly divided into three sections. The western part is referred as Punjab Plains, formed by the Indus. The Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau tableland composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land and thus making it a part of the oldest landmass. The Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the further eastward extension drained by the Damodar River. This is a picture of a waterfall in Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Indian Desert. The Indian Desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. This region receives very low rainfall, below 150 mm per year. It has Arctic climate with low vegetation cover. Luni is the only large river in this country. This is the picture of the Indian desert. The coastal plains. The peninsular plateau is flanked by stretch of narrow coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The islands. India has a vast mainland. Besides this, the country has two groups of islands. Corals. Corals polyps are short-lived microscopic organisms which live in colonies. They flourish in shallow, mud-free and warm waters. They secrete calcium carbonate, the coral secretion and their skeletons from coral deposits in the form of reefs. They are mainly of three kinds: barrier reef, frightening reef and allots. The Great Barrier Reef of Australia is a good example of the first kind of coral reefs. A detailed account of the different physiographic units highlights the unique feature of each region. It would, however, be clear that each region complements the other and makes the country richer in the natural resource. The mountains are the major source of water and forest health. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. They provide the base for early civilization. The plateau is a storehouse of minerals, which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country. The coastal region and the islands group provide sites for fishing and port activities. Here are some exercise you can do, and this is based on the chapter.